Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series. I have MCQs with respect to international economics for TYBA. So let's get started. The first MCQ is, who among the following defended free trade to promote efficiency and productivity in the economy? Whether it was David Ricardo or J.M. Keynes or Abhijit Banerjee, and none of the above. The last option is. So here, if you know who the classical economist is amongst these, you will be able to gauge the answer. It is David Ricardo, along with you have Adam Smith and all of that. So all that classical economics list which defended or who defended free trade to promote efficiency and productivity in the economy. So I hope the idea is clear. Let us now move to the next question. Who wrote the book Principles of Political Economy and Taxation? The options are J.M. Keynes. No, J.M. Keynes wrote, if you know, he wrote The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money. Then we have David Ricardo. Okay, we'll keep this option. Then we have J.B. Say, and then we have none of the above. So J.B. Say, if you know Say's law of market, so this is the person who derived or who gave that. And then we have David Ricardo. So David Ricardo is the correct answer. Principles of Political Economy and Taxation is David Ricardo. Let us now move to the third MCQ, which is imposition of heavy tariff duties on imports, fixing of quotas, or provision of subsidies on export means what? What kind of policy this looks like? Whether it is a protectionist policy, whether it is a free trade policy, whether it is a Keynesian policy, or none of the above. So here you can look at the imposition of heavy tariffs, then we have fixing of quotas and all of that, or export promotion subsidies and things like that. So this means you are doing something called as protection to your domestic industries or protecting your own economy. So therefore this policy is the protectionist policy. Let us now move to the next MCQ which I have for you here. What are the two different types of tariffs? Here I am talking about the different types of tariffs. Yeah, so these can be either, the first option is revenue tariff, then we have the second option protective tariffs, then we have C, which is both revenue as well as protective, and then we have D, none of the above. So when you know, if you know that what are the two different types of tariffs, they are revenue tariffs as well as protective tariffs, and therefore the correct option is C, both these. Yeah, let us now move to the next MCQ here. The maximum quantity of a good which may be permitted to be imported during any period of time is called as what? The maximum quantity of a good. Here I am looking at. So whether it is called as import quota, whether it is called as revenue tariff, whether it is both import quota as well as revenue tariffs, or none of the above. So here the correct is import quota, the maximum quantity I am giving here for a particular country for a given period of time. So here I am talking about something called as import quotas. Let us now move to the next MCQ. Which of the following is not an effect of a tariff? Is not an effect of a tariff. So here I have consumption effect, production effect, trade effect, and capital effect. So here the first three are the effects of a tariff, but the last is not. Instead of capital effect, it has to be revenue effect. So therefore this is not the case. It is not an effect of a tariff, that is capital effect is not. It has to be revenue effect. Let us now look at the next MCQ. Free trade can help in achieving what? It will help in achieving specialization. Okay, whether it will help in achieving economies of scale, whether it will help in achieving higher savings and investment, or all of the above. So these are all the cases for a free trade, that free trade will help us in achieving specialization, economies of scale, higher savings and investment. Therefore all of the above is the correct answer. Let us now move to the last MCQ. Dumping is a form of dash. It is a form of what? Dumping is a form of price discrimination, or gender discrimination, or racial discrimination, and the last is none of the above. So if you know what dumping means, it is a type of price discrimination, and therefore option A is the correct answer. Yeah, so I hope the idea of MCQs are pretty much clear. Please stay tuned. I'll be making more videos. Thank you.